What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna touch real quick on this subframe stiffener, okay? So this thing sits right up here in this section right here. And boy, this thing had some interesting screws. So here's the screw. This is the head of the screw. So if you can kind of see there, it's a very interesting setup here. So there are 8 of these things. With the amount of trouble I had getting these things off, I said, you know, there's no reason to have a security bolt in this section. So I'm getting rid of these. So what I did, in order to get it off, just to get it off, I had to get a grip tight socket. This is a 14 millimeter. And I was able to use this to take them out. So what I did after finding the right bolt, I went ahead and got me these new flange bolts. This is an M10 by 125 by 25 millimeter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swap these out and get this thing wrapped up. All right, so once you get those tightened up, that's it. It's back in place. As I mentioned, these bolts were an absolute nightmare to deal with. Luckily, had to go buy this tool, used an impact wrench, and I was able to shake them loose. Had to put a little bit of WD-40 on them, but got them out. Now it's done. So that's it for now. You got the steps here. You got the replacement part. It's up to you whether you want to switch it or not. But as for this video, we are done and out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.